Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. I can get it open. It's quite the full bag here. We're getting there. Looks like we have pre-stamped cross stitch. Let's see if I can pull it out of the bag. Alright, let me take a look here. Alright, this bag comes from, sorry for the reach, OneDaySaving. This will be in 2 parts. Next part will be next Monday. And let's get started. So let me get this out of the bag. Bag over there. And we'll take a look at the picture. It's Santa and a little bitty boy or girl ice skating. I just thought it was kind of cute. It is a 40 by 50 and it is an 11 count. Whoops, my bad. 11 count, 40 by 50, and it's 148 by 191. Comes on a nice big huge sheet of shiny paper. It has 30 colors. Doesn't look too bad because the background's in a few different shades. Let's see here. No 310. Does have 321 red. No 939. No 823. And it has 3865 for your white, but lots of different colors. But red is your predominant color. There's 3 different shades of red. 321, 606, 608, and 666 red. From what it looks like there, it does come with instructions on how to start. Let me pull you out so we can see what's going on, huh? But nice big paper pattern. The paper pattern will match the canvas. It comes with a little bitty toolkit. We got birds this time. With a poof ball, 5 needles, and a thimble, and a needle threader. We'll just set that aside. Let's take a look at the threads. Lots of beautiful reds, though. Put that over there. So you have a full skein of 842. That's 842. You got 3 skeins of that. And 1 of 3033. Has kind of muted colors except for the red, you know, in their outfits. Hang on, I gotta shake it down. It's all mooshed together. Then we can really see. Pretty colors. Nice and muted. There's even a little bit of green in there, I hope. Oh, you got 2 shades of green, and then this is kind of a pale green, if you will, and that's kind of a pale tan green. But there's all your reds, all 4 of them right there. I love that 321 red. It's really pretty. Just beautiful colors. You got some pinks as well in there, even some bubblegum pink. And corals. I don't know where all that's gonna go. Okay. Just kind of touches of those colors. Let me get the paper again, just a second. I guess she got brown in their shoes, and then she's got some pinks in the top of her hat or something. And maybe on that box. Oh, there's the green. It's like I didn't see any green. So we'll see. Kind of an old-fashioned looking little picture. Kind of like it. Let's take a look at the canvas. Lay that right over there so it doesn't fall down. Wow, that's weird. There's a tree there done in the light color. Do you see it? You see it better than I do. I didn't even notice that until I got to here, and I was like, why is there a tree there? Let's hope it's all correct. It is. Sometimes stuff happens. It is serged all the way around. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It has a nice dark key. Very easy to read. The numbers on this side edge, the stitching has gone into it, but it matches the paper if you really need to know the color. But yeah, I don't think it'll be too bad. I think I'll save this for a while to start it. But yeah, I thought it was beautiful. Just like the colors of it and how the red pops out, you know. So you never can tell. Let's see, how much was that? It was $9.83. Now the next one is a 14 count. Let's see. 52 by 40. And it was $11.14, but I have wanted this picture for so long. It's right up there with the lady and the flower, you know. I keep looking at it and looking at it. I just want to see for myself how well all this detail is going to come in. Let me take this out of the bag here for a minute. Hold that thought. There's a lot of thread here. Hang on, I gotta take it out in sections. I think this picture is actually a picture of the stitching. I don't know if I can hold it still enough. But do you see how it's pixelated? So hopefully all that details and stuff will show up. There's going to be some back stitching, but we can deal. And it's called a Christmas celebration. I just thought it was cute with everybody out ice skating and sledding and the girls trimming in the trees over here. It does have a nice big paper pattern, but it will not match the canvas. As you know, Joy Sunday. It's a Joy Sunday wannabe. Doesn't say Joy Sunday, but it just says cross stitch. Put that up there. And it is a 14 count. They've separated it into 8 sections if you care to do it that way. It is 240 by 176. Very nicely illustrated and easy to see what's going on. It has 46 colors. It has full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Not bad. I think the French knots are going to go somewhere on this tree, maybe. And I don't see the others. Let me look a minute. There is some French knots in her cap, like at the ball at the end. So we'll have to see. Let's take these colors out. Now it did have, of course it might have, I don't know what I'm trying. You got 310, 666, no 321, no 823. You do have some 939, and no 3371 or 3771. You have 3776, and you have B5200 for the white. So you're going to use that in the French knots, part of the back stitching, and the 839 and 310 down here in back stitching. So it shows you where and what color to put. It's always very nicely printed and easy to see. So yeah, does come. Hang on, I'm making sure there's no big hanks of thread. just going to separate this because it's just easier. Comes with 2 needles. There's your B5200. It says the number here. And it tells you these red numbers are how many strands of each that you have. This is your DMC number. And the bottom number is the number on the thread card. So, very pretty. Then we got lots of blues on this section. A couple of reds. Tans and browns. There's your 310 black and purples. So yeah, just a wide variety of colors. Excuse me. And you have some teal in there. So yeah, it'd be interesting. Let me get that wrapped up again, just so nothing gets lost. Put that up there. We don't need those scissors anymore. Let's take a look at the canvas. It tells both the product numbers and the name that's on the front right here. It is serged all the way around. And you have a nice big key. It's very easy to read along the bottom. And, you know, here's your French knots, your back stitching, and the rest of them are all, you know, regular cross stitch. So, yeah, there'd be... The back stitching in this will absolutely make this. It'll be lovely. Just absolutely beautiful when it's done. But I just liked it. And I didn't even measure the last one. Oh, we are doing well today. I'm telling you. I think I need a week off after Christmas, right? 50.5 or 20 inches by almost 16. And no, it's like 15 3/4 or 40 inches. I mean 40 centimeters. We're doing well. 32 centimeters by 12.5 for the size of the picture. By, if I can get a hold of it, 17 inches or 43 centimeters. But yeah, I just like this. I just love this picture. I wish I could have gotten it in an 11 count, but couldn't. That's okay. We have it now. And we'll just work a little bit at a time on it. Yeah, cute. And it wasn't too terribly expensive. It was under $15, so for Joy Sunday, that's pretty good. Very nicely printed. I don't see any smears. Yeah, just lovely. Just absolutely beautiful. Hardly wait. It'll happen, it'll happen. May have to start that before the new year, right? Now, OneDaySaving has free shipping. I think it's over $50. They have pre-stamped and counted cross stitch. They also do diamond painting and paint by number and custom. They have paper quilling, beaded cross stitch, and they have tools and crafts for diamond painting and cross stitch. I'm not sure if they have any tools or crafts in the paint by number section or not. And yeah, they have custom on all 3 of those, paint by number, cross stitch, and diamond painting. So do check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful kits. We'll have part 2 next Monday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.